guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It has been, I don't know, 1 year, 1 year since I made a video of me talking. So for the past few days, nimekuwa nikiimba and stuff, but finally, not finally, but yeah, at least now I can start making videos. So today we are going to talk about something known, naitwa anga. Kwanza makofi makofi kwa kurudi. So for the past few months nimekuwa busy nikifanya tu mavitu. Yeah, as you guys know, naendelea kusoma psychology. Saizi nafanya degree. This is my hope, maybe in the future nafanya hadi masters. Yeah, so today guys, this is just a recap of what I've been doing for the last few I don't know 13 months, because last post ilikuwa ilikuwa 2023, end of 2023. So for the whole of 2024 sija post kitu. Nimekuwa nikifanya kazi ya za role tu. Yeah, but in all that time yenye nimekuwa nikifanya kazi, yeah, it is just to know that in this life kuna ma haters. Okay, nisiraite, but they are haters. Yeah, you get to find like you are trying to do something with your life, and then out of nowhere something happens. Na si kupenda kwako, but mipango ya Mungu ni mipango ya ajabu. So today I was just to talk about anger. Yeah, because of late I've been angry at myself because of various issues. Really angry. You know, ile hadi inafika time like you are very disappointed. Yeah, like you are embarrassed and you don't know what to do. So that was me for the past but you know, that anger within you, it is a normal whereby the anger that you have, it reaches a point whereby you are very angry. You like you don't know what to do. Yeah, like you can, I hope you can hear me. Poleni, I'm not used. By the way, thank you for all when your many support. I was able to buy a podcast career. Yeah, so thank you. So I was talking about my experience and my anger. So when anger comes to you, like it reaches, like you don't know what to do. You feel devastated. You feel like you are tired. You feel like you cannot continue existing. But you know, all this inakujanga na triggers zake. Kuna watu wengine anga yao inakuaga ina trigger, it is being triggered by various things. So for you to survive, you just know how, you just have to know what triggers your anger, because ukiishi na anger in between you can never go on. And I believe in almost all the religions that I know, like you have to forgive. So for that anger to reduce, you have to forgive. That is, if it's somebody who has done you wrong, you just have to forgive and continue, because your life, any, for you to continue, just have to be happy. You have to be happy. And there is something that I usually say, that can smile. That a smile that you put, it really helps. Yeah. So anger, you know, anger is a natural human emotion. You can have anger. Yani lazima kila mtu akuwe na lazima kila mtu akasirike. Even that there is no angel. Like lazima ukasirike ndio ujue what triggers you. You cannot be angry because of nothing. Yeah. So poleni, I have made some notes ndio maana naangalia hapa. But you know, after you have known what triggers you, by the way, anger, it has got so many effects. It has got so many effects, and there is a lot of time that we tend to think that mtu huwa anakasirika inaisha hivyo, but you know, there's some people who cannot manage their anger. Mtu anakasirika, anakuja, yani anafanya vitu zenye you can never imagine that person can do. Yeah, if it's a family member, yani we have got so many stories. For example, let me give you one story of mine. Kuna time fulani, as you guys know, I was raised up in a children's home. Na hii story sitataja mtu, but it is my experience. So after form 4 like nilikuwa na simu hii inaitwa Neon Kika. Sijui siku hizi watu wanaita, but ilikuwa ka Neon Kika, ndo nilikuwa natumianga. And so this guy, I had left my laptop somewhere in the bedroom, and now this guy anakuja, and then I don't know if alikuwa anani manipulate, but this person alikuwa anajulikana, alikuwa apenda kunisumbua sana. So all of a sudden, due to anger, yani counting from when I was in primary school, high school, na sisi nimemaliza form 4, na huyu jamaa bado ananichokoza. So I got angry, nikamrushia simu, na simu ikavunjika. Yeah. And and that time, okay, I don't know what happened, but now we have a sister who was running the nini, and mali yako Mungu ambariki. I told her that nimekasirika nikavunja simu yangu, sijui kama ndapata ingine. So I was expecting her to kuchangia for me, but akaniambia shida ni yako bwana, like unakasirika unarushia mtu simu, then utasaidika aje? It is my anger issues. So nilikaa bila simu, by the way, for a very long time. If I can remember, it was quite a long time before I got back my phone. So I used to rely on laptop kuingia, kuna hii app inaitwa BlueStack, ndo naingia nayo WhatsApp. So it operates like a phone in the laptop. So I used to use it. So after some months, I saved up, nikanunua another Neon Kika. So from a Neon Kika to another Neon Kika. So that means that ukiwa na anger issues, hautafanya progress. You will be flat. Yani from one point to the same point. There is no way you can continue surviving. So yeah, that was it. And it was tough, bwana. It was tough. And at least in due time nilijua ku manage my anger. And it is not easy to manage your anger, but the only thing that helps is to know your trigger. And there are some exercises zenye unaweza fanya, by the way. There are some unaweza manage. Okay, how do you manage? Since this is a podcast, sitasema ati nataka kufuatilia notes. Mimi nasema for what I've been doing, bwana. First, I realize that I sometimes I get angry very easy, very fast. So that is one. And ukishajua hiyo, you will know how to, and as nimerudia. Next thing is there are some exercises which you can do. Yeah, there are some like breathing exercises. Kuna ile wa psychologist wanajua when somebody is overwhelmed, kuna that breathing exercise yenye unaweza mpea ndio aweze kutulia. Like for me, during those times I did not know all this. I came to know most of these things after nimeanza campus. Yeah. And sijui leo it was just a recap of what I've been going through, and of what I can tell you is that I was angry for so many reasons, but thanks be to God, as you can see, Nico, I'm good for now. Tuseme for now I am good. Maisha yanaendelea vizuri. I'm doing degree. So tunaweza sema ni Mungu tu na ni Mungu. Yeah, so thanks guys for the ones who have listened. Leo tu ilikuanga ama story hiyo kidogo kidogo. Yeah, but in due time, by the way, in due time, at least hizi niko na simu iko na adabu. So it's that's all. So guys, I'll be back. I'm back, so I'll be posting more. And yeah, tukutane kwa all the other sessions. I will try and start and call my co-host Mwalimu Jonte. He's around but ako busy kiasi. Mimi ndio niko but naendelea na masomo. Yeah. Asanteni sana kwa kusikiliza. Tuonane next time when I'll be doing another video. Bye.